Hello everyone, I'm Manny. I'm a sales consultant here at Healey Brothers Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Beacon, New York. Today we're going to go over active park assist in a Jeep. First, you're going to position your vehicle parallel to cars in the parking lot, and you're going to approach an open parking spot. So by shifting the vehicle into drive and pushing this button here, you're going to see that the Jeep is going to want to perpendicularly park by pushing this OK button. The parking sensors on the vehicle are going to search for the spot. So what you have to do is drive by it until the Jeep tells you to stop. You'll shift into reverse. You're still going to control the gas and the brake in the vehicle, and the steering will take care of itself. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. We're passing the open spot now, and you're going to go quite a bit past it before the vehicle tells you to stop. It'll alert you that a space has been found. It's going to tell you to shift to reverse, which we'll do now. And like I said, no hands on the wheel. We're just going to slowly back up here. Still going to monitor the gas and the brake. And no need to get nervous. The vehicle will tell you to stop. You're going to shift into drive. Once the steering wheel is set, you're going to move forward. We'll tell you to stop. Shift it into reverse. And now it's going to align itself in the spot. Put it in park, and you're in your parking spot. And that was perpendicularly parking with Jeep Active Park Assist. Okay, now that we've demonstrated the perpendicular parking, we're going to demonstrate parallel parking. Again, you want to position your Jeep next to the vehicle that you're going to park in front of. Put the vehicle in drive, and then hit the Park Assist button down here. The light is going to indicate that that feature is now on and active. And then your screen where your speedometer is going to show you that the vehicle is searching for a space. It's going to use the sensors on the front and rear bumpers to find the space as you drive by it. So we're going to approach the open space here. And keep in mind the vehicle will tell you when to stop and shift to reverse. So you want to wait for that message. It's alerting me that the space is found. It's telling me to stop and remove my hands from the wheel. And now to shift to reverse. So again, you're still going to control the gas and the brake as the vehicle moves backwards. But the steering will take care of itself. It's going to get us into this nice snug spot here. It's alerting me to stop, shift to drive. I'm going to wait for the steering to complete. And then again, you're still controlling the gas and brake here as the vehicle's lining itself up. And we are in. Okay guys, that was parallel parking with your Active Park Assist. If you have any questions about these features or any other features that you may come across, please feel free to reach out to us at 845-831-1148, and we're located in Beacon, New York. Have a good day.